Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're gonna do some crafting, so let's get started. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of hours since I made the molds. What I'm gonna do is pop it out and see if it worked. Try to be very careful. There we go. So it definitely worked. They are still a little bit sticky on the other side. So what I'll do is once I pop it out, I will let them dry on this side and harden. But they definitely worked. So this is definitely another way of using your molds. There's the butterfly. There's the small one, super cute. So they just gotta dry, and then you can just use them because they will harden. So I'm gonna take this one out. Oh, you can see the roses and the ridges, really pretty. So that worked. I'm just pulling them off from the side there. And then this one has the swirls. So there's one swirl. There's the second swirl. There's the third swirl. So they're working. So you can do it many ways, I'm sure. So there's the leaf. I just have a couple more to pull. These are the stars. One star. 2 stars. 3 stars. These are flowers. Getting them unstuck. There we go. Ooh, that has some ridges in it. It looks really nice. There's the smaller one and the tiny one. So it definitely worked. It's just getting the right consistency. The keys. Let's try to pull the keys. Yep, there's one key and the little key. And there's the small key. So once they're dry on this side, I can start using them. So that definitely worked also. So okay guys, so what we're going to try to do now is we've got our molds, our rubber molds. I have a glue gun plugged in with the glue sticks from just the dollar store and my heating tool right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up one of them with just the glue. Try not to overfill it. We are going to see if this works. And if we can make we're going to see if this works and if we can make pretties this way. Just going to set that down there. I'm going to run my hot tool gun to melt the glue a little bit better. Okay, so when they're wet, they're clear, and when they're cloudy, and you can feel them, they're dry. So what I'm going to do is just bend it and then see if they'll pop out, which they do. And that has the pattern on it and everything. It is super cute. Let's do the next one. There's this one. This one has a couple little holes in it, but that's okay. We're gonna do the next one. Really, really pretty. So the glue definitely works. They are bendable and you won't break, so that's good. Let's check the long one. Yep, that worked. So to fill this whole thing, okay, so I did a little bit of overage on this, but I'll just use scissors and fussy cut around it, or leave it. It doesn't really matter. Let's keep going. Pop out the heart. Really cute. Smaller heart. It worked. The smaller heart. Let's see. Yeah. It worked. We have a couple leaves here. That's really nice to know. And the glue now, I think it took about 6 sticks of glue to do this. And you get like 12 or 14 in, oh, the birds are super cute. You can see the wings and the heart in the wings. Really, really adorable. Let me see if you can see that or if it's too blurry. They're really, really cute. And then the other bird. So they all turned out really cute. And on this side I did the flower. Oh yeah, that turned out really nice. Another flower. The diamond. Yep. Another flower, and that actually got some dimension, so it made it down into the little holes there. And then the circle, and the circle worked. So they all work, and then you can just paint them or put them on your project anywhere you want. So I'm pleased with that. So that's 3 different ways in the last 3 videos for you to see how you want to use your molds, so they're not just sitting around. You can use them. So it was a lot of fun. I'll be using some of these in my projects. So thanks for watching. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. Bye everyone.